How to use Workbright review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Workbright is an onboarding and compliance platform, but beginners often make mistakes that slow processes or create compliance risks. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not completing profiles fully. Most users get this wrong by skipping personal details or document uploads. Complete every section to ensure smooth onboarding and accurate record keeping. Second mistake, ignoring compliance notifications. You won't believe how many tasks go unchecked. Workbright sends reminders for November 21st, 2025 background checks and policy acknowledgements. Missing these can create legal issues. Third mistake, not leveraging templates. The surprising truth is that Workbright offers customizable onboarding templates for forms, tasks, and training. Using these templates saves time and ensures consistency across employees. Fourth mistake, neglecting integration with payroll or RIS systems. Beginners often enter data manually, which increases errors. Connect Workbright with payroll or RIS systems to automate data flow and reduce mistakes. Finally, failing to track onboarding progress is common. Use dashboards to monitor completed tasks, pending forms, and employee compliance status. This visibility helps managers address issues before they escalate. Using Workbright properly means completing profiles, monitoring compliance notifications, using templates, integrating with other systems, and tracking onboarding progress. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your processes will run smoother, faster, and more accurately.